Hey, I'm JR, and we are looking at the JVC KW-Z1000W. This is a modular screened radio, so it's got a 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen mounted to a double DIN chassis. So if your car can take a double DIN radio, you put that in the radio cavity. This radio, the screen hangs out on the front, and it can mount it when you're installing it. You can go up and down with the adjustments. Once it's installed, you can adjust the angle of the screen. You could even do that while you're driving. It's a nice tight adjustment so that it won't move around on you as you're driving the car around. As far as what all it can do, wireless and wired Apple CarPlay, wired and wireless Android Auto. It can even mirror your Android Auto or your Android phone. It has an HDMI input. It has 4 camera inputs. It's compatible with the iDataLink Maestro so that you can use it and retain a lot of the features from your OEM, from your vehicle. And it gets all that information from the computer thanks to that interface. Full compatibility here. Compatible with Sirius XM. They're really making good use of this much larger than normal screen in your car. So if you're looking for one of the biggest screens you can get in your dash, this would be it, the JVC KW-Z1000W. We're pretty excited to see these coming. We are expecting to see them sometime this year, probably in the summer of 2020. So there's your first look at the JVC KW-Z1000W.